Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di sini bersama saya Rizky Noval. Di sini kita akan mengerjakan lab 5.4.6 paket tracer explore a simple network. Di sini saya buka network itunya. Di sini ada addressing table. Objektifnya part 1 kita akan menambahkan PC ke dalam topologi. Part 2 kita akan tes connectivity across the network. Lalu part 3 kita akan create a web page and view it. And part 4 examine the firewall access list. Background atau scenario, packet tracer is a great tool for building and testing network and the network equipment. As a developer, it is important that you are familiar with network device and how they communicate with the outer. The simple network in this packet tracer activity is pre-configured to give you an opportunity to explore the device. Introduction Part 1. Add the PC to the topology. Invite your PC to the topology and configuration with IPv4. Di sini kita akan meletakkan dua PC A dan PC B. Drag PC work to and place in near S2 PC1, lalu drag PC to work area and place is in R3. PC A and PC B. Okay, connect copper striker cable to fast Ethernet port PC A to any NVMe fast Ethernet port on S2.
Sampai nanti
One
kelak esok.
option view dua view option yes. Terus portnya kita nyalakan untuk melihatnya portnya. Oke. R1 S2. Oke. Kabelnya pakai copper strike fast Ethernet 0 to S2 port to S2 NVMe 1. Lalu kita lakukan juga satunya di PCB ke S3. Salah, ke S3 Ethernet 01 seperti ini. Kita percepat. Nah sudah, lalu kita lanjut configure the IPv4 addressing for PC. Kita ke PC A, desktop, IP configuration, IP addressnya 192.168.1.2, lalu default gateway-nya 1.1. Oke, lalu kita masuk ke PCB. Oh ya, kita screenshot dulu, jangan lupa. Oke, PC A kita screenshot. PC B masuk desktop, IP configuration, IP-nya 172.16.3.2, enter, 255.255.255 untuk subnet masknya. Lalu default gateway-nya 3.1, 172.16.3.1. Oke. Lalu test connectivity across the network PCB. Kita ke PCB, command prompt, ping 172.116.3.1. Kita tunggu. Oke, ping berhasil. Lalu ping the example server at the 64.100.0.10. 64.100.0.10. Terus kita tunggu apa berhasil. You may have issue initial as the network converts repeat the ping in necessary. Now you know you have connectivity through the internet. Lalu selanjutnya kita ping ke server at 209.165.200.227. You have many issue initial as the network converts repeat the ping in necessary. Now you know that you have end-to-end connectivity across the network topology. Lalu kita akan membuat webpack and view it. In this part, you will create a simple webpack on the device server and then vary the PCB can access the webpack. Kita masuk ke device Netacat PKA, klik service. Ya, kita scratch dulu di PCB tadi pingnya. Oke. Masuk server, service, klik service, new file, namanya index.html. index.html. Lalu pakai tracer understand basic hypertext markup language HTML. Place the following HTML code in the box below the file name. If you know HTML, feel free to customize the code. Kita masukkan kodenya. Oke, jangan lupa di screenshot. Kita save. Save, yes. Index.html. There already file is the name override. Oh, sudah ada. Di sini sudah ada namanya, kita tutup. Lalu kita masuk ke PCB, ke desktop, lalu ke web browser. URL-nya masukkan ini https 2727 https Go. Di sini kita akan muncul DevNet Associate Welcome the NetPacket Device Course. Kita screenshot. Oke, kita lanjut ke part 4 modifikasi firewall access list. In this part, you will examine the access list of the firewall device, edit the access list, and the test that the firewall now then is ping access. Kita masuk ke firewall, lalu ke cell I, klik enter, lalu enable, configure terminal, passwordnya enter, configure terminal, so run. Oke, access list outside DMZ external permit ICMP any host ketiga access list outside, kita screenshot. Ke atas juga firewall. Oke, host 192 in IP address v4 address of dev server in the DMS. The first access list statement allow any device to access server using control ICMP with is the protocol used by ping command. The second access list allow any device to access the server using hypertext transfer protocol path in the protocol in using browser. Sorry, press bar until the command prompt. The first access list statement. Lalu kita masuk ke step 2, modifikasi and test effectiveness of the access list. Typically, you do not want the outside world to be unable to ping your internet server. Therefore, you should remove the access list statement that explicitly allow ping access. Enter global configuration mode with the configuration terminal. Sini sudah masuk. Command configure terminal, remove the access list statement that permit ping with the following command and enter. No access list outside DMZ permit host. Kita masukkan perintahnya. Oke, lalu kita screenshot. Lalu kita masuk ke PCB, ke command prompt, ping the device server outside. Device server itu 209.227. Enter, kita ping, coba tunggu. Masih RTO. The ping sold no file. From on the PCB, ping the device server outside IP for address. The ping sold no file. Masih gagal. Coba kita masuk ke from the web browser PCB. You should still web page. Masukkan linknya. You should still see the web page as you did not remove this access list statement that HTTP loss address. Itu saja untuk Untuk lab kali ini pakai tracer explore a simple network. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.